Right, so we are back for another sound test, guys, and we now have the heart meter versus the SSR. So when I did listen to the heart meter, it did remind me a lot of the SSR, so that's why we're gonna compare it to this video. And I find the heart meter to be a really compelling option, especially in that price range. And apologies, yes, the previous sound test I did upload is the wrong version, so this is now the correct version. And if you want to get either of these, use my links down in the description below. And let's start the sound test now.
Admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.